행복한 가족 생활을 하고 있는 한 남자가 있습니다. 그의 이름은 클라이드. 어느 날 밤 갑자기 누군가 문을 두드리고 강도 2명이 들이닥치죠. 그리고 클라이드의 아내와 딸은 무참히 살해당합니다. 이 남자는 클라이드 사건의 담당 검사 닉입니다. 야망이 큰 검사였죠.
Cantrell wants to see you. He wants to see Nick.
The Shelton case, where are we?
Let's make the deal. Better than no justice at all.
닉은 자신의 경력을 위해서 불법적인 사법 거래를 하고 범인 2명 중 1명은 풀어주게 됩니다.
What about Darby? I don't understand.
The opposing counsel maneuver.
Kill my little girl, man.
Clyde, it's what you can prove in court. The deal is done.
Certified this agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can move forward with Mr. Ames's.
Are you married?
So I can destroy you.
I mean, you can't fight fate, right?
Don't beat yourself up. Too many other people out there. You're missing the point, Nick. It doesn't matter what.
DA's office has committed all of his justice.
When the system works.
그 모습을 보며 클라이드는 복수를 다짐하죠.
What's wrong?
가정에서는 의외로 다정한 남편인 닉. 그리고 10년이란 시간이 흘렀습니다. 닉은 여전히 자상한 남편이었고 딸과 함께 행복하게 살고 있었죠.
Lock up that guy.
You know she's 10 years old, right?
We'll get the video. We'll watch it together as a family.
오늘은 클라이드 사건의 범인 중 1명의 사형 집행 날입니다.
What are you doing there, Reynolds?
Breathe.
God, I didn't kill those people. That's all.
그런데 어찌된 일인지 굉장히 고통스러워하다 죽음을 맞이하는 사형수.
You were trying to kill? How does it work on a good day?
닉은 자신이 풀어줬던 범인이 했던 말이 적혀있는 약물통을 보게 되죠. 그가 범인이라 생각하고 그를 잡으러 온 닉과 경찰들. 그런데 누군가 전화로 도망칠 수 있게 도와줍니다. 전화로 도와준 사람은 클라이드였고 계획적으로 유인한 거였습니다.
Feel everything.
그는 자신의 아내와 딸을 죽인 진짜 범인인 그를 굉장히 잔인하게 고문하며 죽여버리죠.
You can't fight fate. Yeah, I didn't want you to miss anything. Now they get to watch you suffer. One of your fucking limbs.
그 시각 닉은 무언가 잘못됐다고 느끼고 있었고
It was intellect. We shouldn't be looking for Darby.
Good news, Counselor. They found Darby.
Eyelids were sliced off.
The husband, the father.
That's where they found Darby.
범인의 시체가 발견된 곳이 클라이드의 건물인 것을 알게 되자 그를 잡으러 가게 되죠. 그리고 기다렸다는 듯이 얌전히 체포당하는 클라이드. 그렇게 닉과 다시 만나게 됩니다.
The crazy one scared the shit out of me.
그날 오후 닉의 집에 택배가 왔고 닉의 딸이 잔인한 살해 영상을 보게 됩니다.
What I'm about to tell you, I have a little girl. Bravo. With that being said, answer them in the same fashion. Did you murder Clarence Darby?
They both deserve to die. Over and over again. It took me a long time.
I guess we're done here. We have your confession.
예전 자신의 사건을 빗대어 닉을 놀리는 클라이드.
It's what you can prove in court. Nick, unless you have any hard evidence that makes deals with murderers, I will give you a confession.
Since you are a murderer, what might that be?
The adjustable.
그리고 황당한 거래를 제안하는데 당연히 거절하는 닉.
Fuck no.
Nick, there's an urgent call from your office.
하지만 곧바로 아내에게 딸이 잔인한 영상을 보게 됐다는 것을 듣게 되죠. 결국 침대를 사주게 됩니다.
You got bigger problems than that. Turn around. That's bad.
It's a single.
We can't put Clyde Shelton anywhere.
He bought 9 properties for them to some corporation.
It's the industrial stuff that's curious. I told you that video wasn't. Always, I'm extra good. The egregious nature of both requested bail be denied, Your Honor.
Anything that you
그리고 재판날 클라이드는 자신의 죄를 부정합니다.
Piece of evidence again. Docket number 0413.
그러자 판사는 그에 동의하며 풀어주려 했고
stated for its motion and
갑자기 화를 내는 클라이드.
How misguided.
사실 그 판사는 클라우드 가족 살해 사건의 담당 판사였던 것이죠.
I saw a movie today.
You taught your daughter about good versus evil.
Because I will run you over.
Okay, fair enough. On the video, killing.
I got everything I need.
But another confession would mean another. Give me some.
다시 한번 거래를 제안하는 클라이드. 그리고 닉은 당연히 거절합니다.
No Reynolds suffice.
Who the fuck is Bill?
그런데 클라이드가 거래 내용으로 말했던 사람은 흘려놨던 범인의 그 당시 변호사였고 실종 상태였습니다.
1 o'clock exactly. It's 5-1. Don't have access to the time we...
어쩔 수 없이 또다시 제안을 받았습니다.
Medium rare. Napkin, Nick.
하지만 약속 시간을 지키지 못했죠.
Well, you can't even be honest with me. 7 minutes, 4 seconds north. So I suppose if I don't share this with you, you're gonna...
Get the fuck up.
There's plenty to go around.
What do you do together anyways?
It's a long story.
실종당한 변호사를 찾았지만 이미 죽은 상태였습니다. 약속 시간을 지키지 못해 죽어버린 것이었죠.
It was rigged to shut off. Would have got his lunch on time. He still.
그 시각 클라이드는 뜬금없이 같은 방 죄수를 죽여버리고 독방에 갇히게 됩니다.
I need a shower already.
Listen, Clyde murdered his cellmate, moving him to solitary.
How we doing?
Learn anything?
They both got shit taste in music. 5 minutes alone with my cripple the fucker.
We found Reynolds. Husband had been buried alive. You murdered a man because your lunch was late.
That's a pretty important prince, keeping your word.
You think your wife and daughter about you killing in their name?
My wife and daughter can't feel anything.
Way around it. I'm gonna call in a favor from a friend.
She's thinking just like you, Nick.
One day she'll have my job. So Clyde finally lost.
클라이드에 대해 듣기 위해 그와 함께 일했던 정부 요원을 만난 닉은
What I'm saying is just...
어이없게도 그를 막을 방법은 없다는 말을 듣게 되죠.
So what do you say?
If Clyde wants you dead, you're dead.
Birch, we need her to help us keep Clyde on ice. Have Dunnigan send a patrol car to my house.
That supersede the penal code.
Piece of legal doctrine that helps you.
담당 판사를 만나러 간 닉은 판사가 전화를 받자마자 살해당하는 모습을 보게 되고
Hello?
공범이 있다고 생각하게 됩니다.
Somebody's helping this guy. Who has access? So you're killing judges now.
Learned in blood or soon forgot.
You even think about touching my family. Think about touching my family. It's not gonna bring anybody back.
With this broken thing.
And whoever else you have.
또다시 거래를 제안하는 클라이드. 이번에는 약속을 지키지 않으면 모두 죽이겠다고 말합니다.
Kill everyone.
Get everybody together and bring them to the prison. Industrial property sold in Philly by his corporation.
Would you still cut a deal for Darby?
We made the right choice, right?
And don't get me wrong, I love working up those things for more than just a high conviction.
약속 시간이 지났지만 아무 일도 일어나지 않았고 모두 퇴근하게 되죠.
Night, Jonas.
And that's how it's gonna turn out.
그런데 갑자기 차가 폭발해버리고 아끼던 직원까지 죽게 됩니다.
Past 48 ambitious and premeditated attacks.
Nick, I'm sorry to have to do... Right outside the wall.
What about Nick's car?
It's clean. Hadn't been touched.
So let me get this straight. Up and he's still killing people? How did this get away from you, Jonas? How smart he is, or who's helping him?
Mayor, you have my word. He's not gonna hurt anybody else.
Get this situation under control, gentlemen.
We're going away on a little vacation, that's all. Don't need an excuse, right?
결국 닉은 가족들을 안전한 곳으로 대피시키죠.
They're taking my deal.
이제 시작이라며 모든 것을 엎어버리겠다는 클라이드.
I'm gonna pull the whole thing. It's gotta be biblical.
Jesus, Nick, she was a...
자동차 폭발로 죽은 직원들의 장례식 날입니다.
It's just before when you asked if I did. The system that you're trying to change, it changed you.
국장과 닉은 인터뷰를 위해 차를 타고 이동하는데 무언가 그들을 노리고 있었죠. EMP로 인해 시동이 꺼진 자동차들. 그 순간 기관총이 난사됩니다. 그리고 대전차 미사일을 맞고 국장 역시 사망하게 되죠.
You didn't bring this entire city to its knees. So I'm implementing the... We're gonna lock the city down, pure and under our control.
That contraption that killed Cantrell was a robot. I think he's saving you for last.
Something a friend is helping me out. Industrial property sold here.
죽어버린 직원이 조사해놓은 자료로 클라이드의 본거지를 찾게 된 닉.
You're saying Clyde owns this place? What about his civil rights?
Fuck his civil rights. There's gotta be something in here. Remember this?
그곳에서 땅굴을 발견하게 됩니다.
This guy tunneled into me.
땅굴은 감옥의 모든 방과 연결돼 있었고 폭약과 위장복까지 있었습니다.
Other disguises.
독방에 갇힌 것도 계획된 것이었죠.
Wanted to be transferred to solitude.
하지만 그 시각 클라이드는 감옥에 있지 않았고
Something going on tonight?
The mayor.
He tapped into the prison cameras.
Is that your house? Yes.
청소업체로 위장해 시청에 있다는 것을 알게 됩니다.
City Hall.
Only a tactical unit in the bomb.
자신의 본거지가 들킨 것을 모른 채 폭탄을 설치하고 있는 클라이드.
You're looking at it.
Going on in here tonight.
6th floor, caucus room.
Directly below the caucus room.
Wait.
Stand back. Don't touch anything.
닉은 간부 회의실에서 폭탄 가방을 찾게 되지만 아무에게도 말하지 말라고 하죠.
Anything. About something.
설치해놓은 카메라를 확인하며 감옥으로 돌아가는 클라이드.
I don't care what laws we...
Clyde.
하지만 감옥에는 닉이 이미 와 있었죠.
To prison. Solitary confinement.
Thank you.
Stand up for those principles you've been preaching.
One final offer, is that what it is?
I don't make deals with murderers.
마지막이라며 클라이드에게 옳은 일을 하라고 말합니다.
You'll have to live it for the rest. I'm sorry.
하지만 클라이드는 폭탄 작동을 시켜버리죠. 그런데 이상한 말을 하는 닉.
for the rest of your life.
이제서야 무언가 잘못됐다고 느꼈지만 이미 돌이킬 수가 없었죠. 폭탄은 이미 닉으로 인해서 클라이드 침대 밑으로 옮겨졌던 것이었습니다. 딸이 만들어줬던 팔찌를 보며 클라이드는 자신의 폭탄에 죽게 되고 영화는 끝이 납니다.